Good evening, friends. I hope many of you all had a day where you have not dented your capital by big margin, right? Today was one such day where no matter what you do, you can buy a call, you can buy a put, your stop losses would have got hit, right? It was one weird day in terms of trading. Luckily for us, right, we made good money in the morning pre-open trade and the SME setup that we trade, right, and we teach in our mentorship program. People made good money, and then I asked everyone to stay away. None of the setups, right, today of option buying triggered because market traded in 60-70 point range. Nifty had a good trade, right, but Bank Nifty gave no trades at all, right? Bank Nifty gave couple of selling opportunities on the option side, especially the put selling side. One hit the stop loss, other one gave 60-70 points, right? Now on the chart, many people can argue and say that there was a big candle, but it was just single candle, right? It was coming out of thin air, so you cannot buy and sell trades there, right? So it's easy to argue. You can go back and say many things, but it's not possible. Now, what is the reason, right? If you see VIX, right, last 7 days the VIX has actually been trading in a very narrow range, right? Look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also trading in a narrow range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Today was the 9th day when Bank Nifty actually traded in a range, right? Unfortunately, it's now trading at the bottom, right? Now, today is a FOMC meet. The PPI data on US side, right, actually came good. All the eyes are on FOMC meet. It is one of the strangest event day from a trading standpoint, right? I have not seen a day like today, especially on a Wednesday, right? It's one of the strangest day for trading. The VIX just not went up, right? VIX never went up. The market never went up or down, right? Is there a view? I think it's very difficult to farm a view. To farm a view or to form a view, right? It's the same thing. The reason I'm saying farm a view is you will have to manufacture something, right? Personally, for me, I want to stay neutral tomorrow, right? Now the reason is, look at the 15-minute price action. VIX is not giving any clue, right? Tomorrow is our expiry. This actually traded in a 60 to 80 point range, right, throughout the day, barring first two candles. Every day it's the same, but today actually it was extreme, right? Knowing that there is an event tomorrow, it was extreme, right? I am not expecting anything. See, for me to go short, right, I need a closing below 43. So there is a good trend line forming here, right? Now, if you get a closing, if you get a gap down opening tomorrow at a retest of 43,940, a bearish candle, you can take a trade for the targets of 43,716, right? I personally feel tomorrow will be a day to avoid. Market will be in a cage, right? 20-40 points, 20-40 points. Wait for a good zero hero trade in the morning. If you get a trade, rather focus on stocks, right? Stocks will give you good movement. Stocks like HAL, certain stocks in IT pack, PVR, they're looking good, right? Bank Nifty spot chart is not giving any clue. Now, for a bull side trade, right, again, if the market opens flat above 44,061, take a trade for 44,179. Be quick in, again, reduce your quantity, be quick in booking your profits. Take 15-20 points stop loss, book 20-30 points, right? Don't wait for big trends. A good movement, right? So if you have a gap up above 44,200, a good movement will come. If it comes back and retest 44,100, then you have a 44,050 as stop loss. You can take a trade till 44,350. Personally, I am seeing a very dead expiry tomorrow. I think whatever will happen with the gap up or gap down opening. And I think after that, right, it is just not going to react, because look at the option chain market is not giving any clue. Now, what was the reason today in Bank Nifty? So spot is clueless, VIX is clueless, right? The culprit is here, HDFC. Falling channel, it actually opened gap up and then it continued falling down. There was a negative news in HDFC Bank, right? And that has actually ensured that the Bank Nifty does not move. For tomorrow, I am again saying HDFC will react on the news below 1594. It can come all the way to 1576. Guys, it can do it. I know it's a blue chip, but it's an expiry and I think it will do some funny things. ICICI Bank, right, again fell along with HDFC Bank. Below 935, you can see levels of 926. The component charts, right, are actually talking a language, right? And let me just pull out. Axis again bearish, everything is bearish. It can take a support at 969, right? It's an event, but if you see the way components are positioned, they are trying to tell you that they may go short, right? Kotak was at a support. Kotak actually has formed a spinning top. Given it's fallen couple of days above 1880 is a rally, below 1848 it could continue and fill this gap, right? SBIN I think was flat throughout the day. It has given no clear movement, right? It has been flat. Below 574, you can see levels of 567 coming here. SBIN, I'm not expecting big movement. IndusInd should be a stock to watch out because this one had given a good move up. This one could actually fall now, right? If profit booking comes in, it could fall to 1298 and below 1298 could go all the way to 1270. Components are telling that market may there could be some bearishness. Now let's look at the option chart, right? Very bad price action, 44. Let me go to 44 200 PE to see if there is a trend here. If it opens between 218 and 240, right, can go and meet 265, 301 and 370 levels. Guys, this chart is actually saying PE, we could be in the game. Let's see 44,000 CE in the end, 43,700 CE, sorry. This is actually corrected a lot, but it's at a support. Now, if it opens between 364 and 394, right, and goes up, here also you can see an ascending triangle, right? But this one consolidation is better in put option. So again, gap up opening, C can come back to this 402 levels and go all the way to 434 and 506. Guys, I personally spot chart, component chart, if I'm seeing right, put looks more promising. Spot chart and components, right, are again saying that puts could be in the game, right? Now let's guys be very cautious tomorrow. Trade with very less quantity. I would say avoid trading altogether because you never know, market could actually surprise you. Now Nifty 50, right? Nifty 50 was more clean. It took a support and went up. The reason was Reliance, right? Reliance was actually showing good strength. But tomorrow again, gap down opening. It can, if it opens around 18,614, you can take a trade for 18,690. Gap up, all-time highs, don't touch it. Flat, let it come to 18,709 and take the trade for 18,760. Right? Nifty, the view is very simple. VIX I have explained. Let's go to Reliance and HDFC to see if there is some trend there. Yes, I'm actually making a recording from outside. There could be some disturbance, right? I apologize for that. So Reliance, right? This showed good strength. Tomorrow could be the fourth day. It could actually give an indecision candle. Personally, I am seeing. I won't trade Reliance, but about 25.53, right? You could be in the game for 25.69. Reliance is the one which is actually pulling Nifty up. HDFC along with HDFC Bank fell. So HDFC, right, I am pretty sure, right, it's same chart below 2634. It can go all the way to 2591, right? Let's look at the other components. Nifty IT and okay, Bank Nifty was in a cage. Nifty IT was in a cage. Defensives did well. Nifty IT chart, right, and I want to see here actually has given good candle about 29,005. You would be in game for 200-point move, guys. If you want to go long, I would prefer going long with Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. Short side Bank Nifty would be the better option, right? So guys, components are again pointing Nifty. Again, the indices are divergent. Nifty is bearish, Bank Nifty is bullish. In such a scenario, right, it's very difficult to take a trade, right? If you want to go long with very less quantity, go long with Nifty. So guys, I will conclude this. I hope everyone has a profitable expiry tomorrow. It's gonna be tough. I see a gap up opening or a gap down opening and kaam tamam, right? I won't be chasing anything. I will try and see if there are certain stocks that we can post there, right? I hope everyone has a good day, guys. Tomorrow, I would again say trade cautiously. Signing off on behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute, right? Friends, share our channel. In case you have not subscribed to it, please subscribe and press the notification. Thank you and all the best for tomorrow, guys.